Hi all, in this video let's see what happens when you run npm run commands. Let's deep dive what happens step by step. Firstly, so most of them we know. So if I run npm run start, what happens? So most of the beginners, everyone says that when we run npm start, what happens? It will go to the package.json file, it will search for this script, and it will run the equivalent, underlining this command. It will run this command. This is what everyone says. But if I say like we are running this command and under the hood this command is running, it means like both are the same, both are the similar commands, right? Instead of this command we are running this. So if we ask like why we are not running this, why we are running this, so most of them will say that yes, this is hard to remember and hard to type. So that's the reason to make it easy, simple, we are making this as a start and we are running under the hood, we are running this. Okay, but what if we run this command, what happens? Okay, but that is not the case. We think that this is equivalent to what we are running, so we can just run this instead of this. Okay, but let's see that what happens. So if I run this, it should execute, it should be the same as what I run npm start, right? But if you see, we'll be getting an error because our operating system don't know about this react scripts command. It's don't know about that. Then how come these both will become same? No, those two are not same. Yes, of course. Instead of typing this all the time, remembering all this big lengthy command, we are giving an alias name here and we are running that. But these two are not similar. Okay, if those are similar, so I have just proven that those are not similar because if you run npm run start, the application starts. So if you run this directly command, it is not running. What is happening here? So here the react scripts is not known by the our operating system. Our operating system don't know about this react scripts, what it is. Okay, if our operating system don't know about this react scripts, how come npm run start is running this react scripts? So that's the second question. So let's see that. So when you do npm install, when you clone any of the project and when you do npm install, what happens is it will download all the dependencies in the node modules here. Everyone knows this. Under this, if you see a folder, a directory called .bin is there. So I'm opening that .bin. In this .bin, you will have all the soft links. These are known as the soft links. Here, if you see, I'm searching for the React scripts. So here is the React scripts file. So with the help of this file, it could execute that npm run start file. Okay. So this is the main thing. These are all are soft links. Okay. What are these soft links and how these soft links will connect? Who is going to configure? So during the time when you run npm install, all these soft links would be mapped. Okay. And along with that, Node.js, so where it will map, let me show you. So those would be mapped in the, let me open the package.log.json file. So here, if you see in the package.log.json file, just have searched for React scripts. Here, if you see this bin, so when you run this React scripts, we are saying that go to bin and execute this script. So that is the reason it is going to this React scripts and it is executing. So here you can see, here you are directly, this is like a shell command where you can run your script. So that's the reason here the soft link mapping is there. It is configured by npm install. When you do npm install, this is going to configure this part. Okay, and it, that's the reason we could able to execute this run scripts command. Along with this, so you're not getting like you have not installed this globally, but what is happening is the same npm. So what it does is automatically it maps our node modules, this node modules hyphen bin, this to path. So this is added automatically to the global path, to this path, to the path variable. If we see, if we consider that as a Windows application, it's like we're attaching this to the path variable. So that is the reason when you run, so this automatically npm is attaching this to the path. So that is the reason when you run npm run, okay, you could able to execute this part globally. So even though the React scripts were not installed globally, those are not installed globally. Those are installed like to that self like node modules. But when you run this anywhere, like it is going to execute it within this application because this node modules is automatically mapping the node modules bin to the path variable. That is the reason. So let's redefine like whatever we have learned here. So this is what all happens when you run this npm install. Firstly, it goes to here. Okay, and remember, running this command and npm run start were not the same, because if you run this, operating system don't know about this react scripts, because this command is not there. It was not installed globally. What happens then? It's like it goes to the bin folder. In the bin folder you will be having this soft link, okay, where it will execute this file. Okay, where is this soft link was established, the connection between the soft link? So it was established in the package log.json. Who did this? npm install did this. How we could able to execute this react scripts? We could able to execute this react scripts directly here, because npm was automatically mapped this with the path variable. That's the reason you could execute this directly even if it is not installed globally. This is like in detail explanation like what happens when you run npm run command. Okay, this is not just for this, for all the other things also it will be applicable. Hope you understand the video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more videos. Thank you.